Letting my 16-month-old name the different types of trucks he has.
What is this?
Garbage truck.
Garbage truck. Good job. This one.
Mixer.
Mixer. This one.
Truck.
Tow truck. Good job. This one.
Bike.
Bike. This one. What about this?
Dump truck.
Dump truck. Good. This one. No, this one.
Truck.
Fire truck. This one. Front. Front loader. Good job. What about this?
Dump truck.
Dump truck. What is this? What's this? Stanley. School bus. What's that?
Excavator.
Excavator. What do you call that?
Bucket.
What is this?
Train.
Crane. Good job. Last one.
Airplane.
Airplane. Yay! You named all of it. Yay! Give me 5. Yay! Fun.